Which bird is a symbol of peace? Eagle, raven, dove, or hawk? Answer C. What is the largest bird in the world? Emu, ostrich, cassowary, or rhea? Answer B. Which bird is often known for its distinctive call often heard at night? Owl, robin, sparrow, or pigeon? Answer A. What is the only bird that can fly backwards? Swift, albatross, hummingbird, eagle? Answer C. Which bird is known for building intricate nests made of mud? Sparrow, weaverbird, crow, or pigeon? Answer B. Which of these birds is a scavenger, often feeding on carrion? Robin, eagle, vulture, or sparrow? Answer C. Which bird is famous for its long migration from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year? Albatross, Arctic tern, swift, or penguin? Answer B. What type of bird is known for laying its egg in the nest of other birds? Eagle, crow, cuckoo, or pigeon? Answer C. Which bird is a national bird of the United States? Eagle, turkey, robin, or sparrow? Answer A. What is a baby swan called? Cygnet, chick, gosling, or fledgling? Answer A. Which of these birds is flightless and native to New Zealand? Emu, ostrich, kiwi, or cassowary? Answer C. Which bird is known for its bright pink feathers? Parrot, flamingo, canary, or robin? Answer B. Which group of birds is known for diving underwater to catch fish? Hawks, owls, penguins, or sparrows? Answer C. Which bird builds the largest nest relative to its size? Eagle, vulture, ostrich, hummingbird? Answer C. What is a scientific study of birds called? Herpetology, ichthyology, ornithology, entomology? Answer C. What is a collective name for a group of crows? Murder, herd, pack, pride? Answer A. Which bird is known for storing food in a pouch in its throat? Penguin, pelican, albatross, or seagull? Answer B. Which of these birds is a type of waterfowl? Hawk, eagle, duck, owl? So the correct answer is C. Which continent is home to the greatest diversity of bird species? North America, Europe, Asia, or South America? So the correct answer is D. Which bird uses echolocation to navigate in dark caves? Owl, swiftlet, nightjar, or kiwi? The correct option is B. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. So please like, subscribe and share my video. Till then, bye.